Decoding the sounds, phonemes 3144. Ever wondered how many sounds make up the English language? Let's unlock the secrets of phonemes 31 through 44. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of speech sounds. First up, the th sounds. We have two versions, the voiced th as in this, and the voiceless th as in thin. Feel the vibration for the voiced sound and the air for the voiceless one. Next, let's explore the esh sound, like in ship, and its voiced counterpart, z, as in measure. Notice how your mouth shapes are similar, but one vibrates your vocal cords. Now, onto the cheech sound, as in church, and the j sound, as in judge. These are affricates, meaning they combine a stop and a fricative sound. Let's move to the nasal sounds. M, as in man, and as in no, and eng, as in sing. Feel the air vibrating in your nose as you pronounce these. Finally, we have H, as in hat, W, as in wet, Y, as in yes, and L, as in lip. These sounds add unique flavors to our spoken language. Ready to master these phonemes? Practice these sounds daily, record yourself, and compare your pronunciation. Subscribe now for more phonetics fun, and share this video with your fellow language learners.